Let's do this. Hello, hello, hello. Uh, Hello, 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 everybody. I once again forgot to loop um, my intro video. Lol. Um, so, um, anyway, um, let's see. So, what we're going to do today. Yesterday, um, well, yesterday I went through and I revised process and I did the next phase, but I didn't test it. So first thing we got to do is test the work of the previous phase, um, and then um, I'm going to try and finish up the remaining phases that we have planned. Um, and I'm going to try and do that in the first hour, take a break at the bottom of the hour, and after that, uh, Ethan, um, what can I say, Ethan? What can I say? Uh, Ethan's joining us on YouTube. Um, for better or worse, Ethan, you are currently my number one fan. At the top of the next hour, I'll take calls and talk about stuff. But first, I want to try and get through the work because, surprise, surprise, um, I, I had a good conversation with Ethan yesterday, and I got three really good clips out of it. Um, it was a little bit distracting from getting the work done. So we're going to focus on that. But say hi in chat while I work, please. It's always great to get feedback um, from people and to see that people are actually paying attention. Um, so let me change the layout and share the screen. Uh, Entire screen. Share. Okay. We're back in cursor, and we're ready to go. Let's see. So the first thing I want to do is how do I test this phase we completed last night? Give specific instructions. Okay. I swear one of these days I will be like professional and everything will be smooth. I'm just like straight up 100 uh um uh uh yeah, but I'm getting in the reps now, and I just I've been forcing myself to do this, and hopefully sooner or later I will actually get good at it. Register, go to edit, create deck. Okay, let's see what we can do. Um, Okay, so maybe I'm still logged in. Go to edit. No, just edit. Um, okay, and I am on Do Not Disturb. Uh, so Curse is saying, go to edit, go to create deck, create deck. Actually, this looks a lot better um, than it did initially. Test the slide list. Click add slide several times. Okay. Okay. That seems to work. So there's that. Select slides. Let's see. Add text block. Cannot edit. Can I reorder slides? Core's error. I guess there is the Core's error issue that Ryland saw earlier today when he was fooling around with this. So let's let's just let's merge that for now. I'll need to I gotta tell Rylan. I'll just take a screenshot. Let's see. So I was asking him about that this morning, and he said he pulled main. Maybe you didn't pull main completely this morning. Okay. Okay. So let's take a look at this and make it a pull request. New pull request. We want Core's improvements. Yeah, sure, that's fine. I just want to look at the diffs and then I can sort this out. Okay. Oh my God. Why can't I create pull request? What okay there. Let's do this. So we're on this branch for this work, and I want to test slide reordering. So git checkout main Git status. What changes? Git diff. What? Okay. Uh, add commit push changes on current branch, because I don't want to mess with all that syntax right now. It is straight up hilarious how lazy I am because of cursor. Okay. Okay. Git fetch origin to grab all the branches. Check out cores improvements. Okay. New agent. Take a look at the current branch. Show me what commit this was branched off of, and give me a sense of how easy it would be to rebase and merge onto main. Okay. I wasn't expecting to get popped with okay. Let's do that. Git rebase main. I don't. I know how to do this stuff. I don't want to. I want to do this manually because like I actually know how to do this stuff. Um. Uh. Let's see. Fastify register cores true. Sure. I'm looking at the merge conflict. Why did cores not work on main given what's in that branch for okay. Okay. So I mean, I've gotten super used to asking questions of the agent. I'm not sure. Is that like Is that ultimately an anti-pattern? I'm not sure. Um, but such is life. Um, let's see. Uh, uh, um, okay. Um, hmm. Okay. Um, uh, uh, let's see. Um, is the incoming change a good idea? Um, well, that's super vague. Um, hmm. Um, how do, uh, let's do this. Let's go to plan mode. I want a cores solution for local development that doesn't step on future production work. Help me plan that out. Um, I'm have. I want to note that I am having cores issues on the latest phase branch testing, um, moving slides around. So I want to clarify that origin true doesn't seem to be working for that branch. So that needs to be considered here. I would also like to add a file for this CORS change to updates and to add a documentation in at progress when our work is complete. Okay. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I don't know how far I'm gonna get because I'm not even like done testing last night's work yet. Oh my god. Let's see. Um, Core is brought on latest phase branch when moving slides. Reorder uses patch with authorization content type. The browser sends a pre-flight options. Okay, that's why. The plan now says dev config most explicit methods and allow headers not so this pre-flight succeeds. When core's origin is unset, the origin true plus. Uh, uh, um, will our dev cores solution cover all possible future API endpoints in the rest of our remaining milestone work? I realize that we may not be able to account for everything now, but I would like to somewhat future proof this. Okay. I want to send this to my phone. This is the thumbnail I made for uh, airdrop. Okay, let's do that. That's the thumbnail I made for this video. Okay. Okay. I love Rebase. It is one of my favorite things to do, actually. I completed the Rebase. Take a quick look to make sure the plan is aligned with the Rebase. When you're done, I will initiate the work to complete our new chorus fix. For real. Okay, nice. So I'll save this to the workspace just cause, and let's build. Okay, so then I'll rebase the phase branch on top of this and test, and then we'll move on to the next phase. Okay. Okay, good. Status. So we got updates, we got progress, that environment example. Okay. Add, commit, push, everything. Okay. Tea. Okay. Uh, add the commit push the wait, what is that? Is that stuff in Git? Is that in, let's see, Git ignore? And as well. Yeah, that shouldn't be okay. Um, okay, so we should be good here. Let's look at the changes. We got that. Um, uh, oh shit, yeah, it's probably fine. Okay. Okay. Squash and merge. Yes, please. Okay, and I merged Ryland's work with some additions. Uh, then I want to check this branch out again. So git checkout main, git pull origin main, git git rebase main. Okay, git push f origin main. No, not that. O2 MVP origin O2 MVP 04. Okay. 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 Um, 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 first, let's see. That looks wrong. I thought. Uh, planning. Okay, we got updates, planning, setup, project overview. Ugh, these. Uh, uh, okay. Update. Um, mm, 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 mm. Okay. Hopefully that fixes cores and I can move on with my life. Oh my god. uh, hopefully. I'll need to work on developer experience. Um, okay, let's take a look here. Okay, so maybe am I logged in? Is the question. Okay, failed to fetch. Let's see. Test 3 at mail.com. What? What is the issue? Let's see. Containers. Is the API not running? Um, mm, mm, mm. Let's go to a new agent so I can keep that. Having issues with booting up the API server. Add commit push this change. Then stop all containers and rebuild the API and container image. Then restart Docker compose. Okay. For real, for real, for real. Okay. Okay, let's try again. Test3@mail.com. Okay. /edit. Let's create a deck. I mean, I guess that's working. Yeah, these seem to be working. Okay. Let's see. See if I can delete a slide. And sure, delete works. Add blocks. I'm good on that right now. Thank you. That's good enough for now. I'm not going to be nitpicky over the UI at this point. Um, select, choose file. Let's upload a CSV. We've got some in our project, sample data files. Uh, sure. Upload CSV. Okay. Uh, okay, we've got a chart. That's nice. I like that. Properties panel works. I uploaded a CSV, created a chart. That's all fine. Okay. Okay. Testing looks good. I'm going to create a pull request and merge, and then open a new agent for the next set of work. Um, I'm looking at planning. Um, I thought we were going to put project overview and um, and into a initial milestones folder under planning. Okay. Does this match what we came up with in workflow up? Hmm. Okay. What I really need is a green screen. Uh, um, add to the folder name and then update references, file references, then add commit push. Good. One last point. I think should be under a milestones folder in planning. Make that change, update any file references, then add commit push. Okay. So that's pretty good. Get status. Okay. Let's compare and pull request. Added slide editor. Tested it. Was able to create charts. Okay. And squash and merge. Confirm squash and merge. Okay. Close all. Based on what, look at progress. Let's plan the next phase of work. Okay, I'm gonna just kick this plan off. I'm going to kick this plan off, and then I'm going to take a quick break, and then we will take audience calls. We'll do the call-in hour. I feel like such a professional broadcaster. Whoa. Okay. 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 I'll take a quick break, and we'll be right back with audience participation. So, stop share, and I'll put this on a loop, and see you in a minute. Okay, we're back. Another one. Okay, so let's go back to screen sharing and change the layout so that you can see my face. And we'll go to the chat. If you're on, like if you can see the live chat, you'll see the link. I'll add the audience link now to the chat. Copy link. And the chat. If y'all want to join, and let's see. Uh, call in during the second hour. Sure. El Posto. We'll see if anybody calls in. I don't even know if anybody is like watching at this point. No, nobody's watching. That's fine. And let's kick this off. Get status. Build it, please. Okay. Do 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 do. Okay. Hide. And I'm just gonna do one more ting. One more ting. Nice. Okay. 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 So if anybody wants to call in, the audience link will put you in the Riverside webinar, and then you got to click a button like at on the bottom right to like ask to join the stream. I know it's a pain. I just want to use the I want to use the what do you call that? The waiting room feature so that I can select to let people in. Um, uh, mm, 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 okay, let's see. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. I need about 5,000 more steps today. After I'm done with the stream, I'll go do some steps and then I will work on some music. And I'm thinking about doing a music stream at 8 tonight again, but that will only be YouTube and Twitter and Facebook. I'm not going to be streaming my music production to LinkedIn. Thank you very much. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Was that? Are you done? Are you like already done basically? Okay. Hilarious. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. And now it's committing. Okay. Um, build Docker images to pick up latest changes, then provide me with a guide for how to test the work. Okay. Do 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 do. The struggle is real. But straight up, I'm doing numbers. The coding stream yesterday, Ethan showed up, and I was able to clip a few clips. Well, two three YouTube shorts, and I put those on Reels and Twitter as well. And then I also got a 5 minute landscape video out of it. And with Riverside, I was able to schedule putting that out um, on there. So that was pretty cool. I didn't actually have to manually post it. I was able to just like um, um, so that was really cool. I like Riverside um, because um, the video editor and the automated picking of clips, and it lets me quickly format and edit vertical videos and touch up the audio. Um, like really, it's a great product. Um, I've got a couple of issues with it, but um, but yeah. Uh, when I finally get into the swing of all this content creation stuff, the Riverside is really going to help me um, with a lot of leverage. And where are you putting this testing document? Uh, oh, into guides. Um, okay, let's do some quick testing. I suspect no one is going to call in. Reload. Oh, I'm still registered, so uh, okay. I can edit text. This is some text. Okay. So I can. This is janky. More text. Uh, uh, First slide. Nice. I've gotta send this to let me yeah, let's do this. I gotta send this to Rylan. It's hilarious. Uh let's see, command 4. Pesto. No. Okay, maybe if I do I'll do that. I wonder if this will work. No. Whatever. Okay. So we've got slides. But let's try one more time. I was able to do this earlier. And let's maybe if I do this. Let's see. That's good enough. Okay. Okay. Delete. Okay, we have slides. That seems to be fine. So that's pretty cool. The hypothesis. Okay. Let's see. That all seems fine. Really? Oh, nice. This actually works. This makes me so happy. This makes me so happy. Status. Everything seems to work. Okay, so git status. Okay. And commit the guide folder and push. We'll just save that. And then I guess we'll just try. We'll try to finish the last phase. ls git status. Okay. Compare and pull request. Slide viewer MVP. Okay. And let's squash and merge that. Okay. Look at progress and let's plan the next phase of work. Okay. Oh yeah. Let's skip export for now. Mm-mm-mm. So it looks like I'll finish the initial work today, and I need to plan. I think the next milestone will be developer experience. Oh man, why am I tired? The next phase will be developer experience work, especially separate dev Docker files that are built around um, hot reloading changes. So I want that. And then the next milestone after that will be design. So I think I'll put in. Uh, I'm thinking of going with material design. So that's probably going to be an update to components that are used because there's some material libraries out there. I don't know which one I'll use. I'll add Tailwind in and light and dark mode. Might update to use React hook form because I'm just using use state hooks and stuff to manage state right now. Um, so that'll be so milestone 4 will be developer experience, and then milestone 5 will be um, milestone 5 will be a design updates, and then I'm gonna have to really dig into the application and the user experience and figure out where to take things from there. Um, so that's like the plan. For real, for real, for real. Um, that's the plan as it stands, man. Okay, I love this. I put together such a great workflow for the agent with these plans. It knows to commit and push. It adds appropriate documentation. Um, it's just I just love it. I straight up love this. Um, Where are we? Okay. Um, stop. Oh, three. Um, stop all containers. Rebuild the service container images. Restart Docker Compose. Give me a testing plan for the new features. Okay. Mm-mm. 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 Do, 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 do. Introducing cursor automations. Mm. Mm-mm. Oh, okay. Finished the initial milestones. Now I have to start actually thinking about what I want to build. And I've got the call with my friend Rylan tomorrow, so I need to. He thinks his core's work may not. He may not have changed to main before making that branch, so I've got to. I got to figure that out. Um. Oh my ZSH style. Um. Get terminal for Windows. Uh, Windows subsystem for Linux. What is that? Yeah, I gotta figure that out for him. Let's see. Home. Edit. Let's see. Let's add a chart block. Select it. Let's make a pie chart. Will that even work? Maybe choose another file. Upload the CSV. Okay, that's weird. Maybe. Uh, hmm. So that doesn't like that doesn't really like work. Uh, okay, that's not great. Let's see. But that's fine. We'll just do that for now. View, and then arrow. That's pretty good. Um, uh, okay. Commit the guy work, then push. Things seem to work. There is more work to get out of the MVP, but this is a good start. Thanks. Okay. Added new chart types. Create pull request. And squash and merge. Yes, please. And okay. This makes me happy. Okay. I think I'll end the stream there, and that'll give me time to head out on my walk, my afternoon walk, and get some more steps in. I'm cutting weight, so getting steps in um, is pretty necessary. So we'll do that. Anyway, that's it for today's vibe coding session. Since I got through all this, I probably won't vibe code tomorrow. Oh man, I'm tired. Thanks for tuning in. And see y'all soon. Yeah.